And now we will take you to Mangalore city of Karnataka, where members of a secular organization had organized an Iftar meet to give out loud the message of religious brotherhood.
Peaceful coexistence and unity are the primary characteristics of Indian society. It is quite common to see people of different religious communities actively participating and helping each other in different festivals. An example of this was seen in Mangalore city of Karnataka state, where an organization of secular thinkers had organized an Iftar party to give out loud the message of peace and brotherhood.
After studying that entire history of the Iftar, what I thought, we have to give some message to the general public. In a sense, my idea to call all people from all the communities. It came to my mind to at least to create some harmonious relationship between among the various communities. So I decided to have a unique Iftar party.
Named as the Sahakara Nyayika Kuta, members of the organization organized the Iftar under a banyan tree in the Balmata area of the city. The Iftar meet was called Iftar Mussanje and was attended by thinkers, orators, religious leaders and more. Religious leaders and thinkers discussed the idea of uniting people from different faiths through this initiative and spreading the message of brotherhood.
When they celebrate their own festival, so we shall participate. We shall participate is we need not celebrate that one, but we shall respect, so that in this kind we can create some awareness among the communities. So when we be living together, we will be happy. So we can live peacefully and we can give something to next generation, the peaceful property to them.
It is the collective spirit of unity and brotherhood in Indian citizens that makes every festival a beautiful and a grand affair.